Hi everyone, Natasha here and around my home today. I am in my kitchen. It is a cold day outside and sort of cloudy, but my daughter was excited this morning as we headed off to school since their class had a costume party and a little parade through town today. So, welcome to my kitchen. As you can see, I have something new for you today. I decided to try one of the cloth and paper subscription boxes. I'm not sure if I'll continue the subscription, but I was just curious and wanted to check it out and see what it was like to get their monthly stationery subscription box. So let's dive in. This box is $38. I did go ahead and open everything just to get the plastic packaging out of the way since that's kind of noisy. And what we will do, this is how it came in the box. I'm going to set everything out and we'll take a look at each item. So in the box there is a card that talks about each of the items included, and on the back it explains a little more about them. So that's nice to just sort of understand some of these products which are a little new to me. And we'll start off with the accessory case. So this is a clear plastic case and has a little snapping closure. And I actually was excited about this because I've been needing something for all those gift cards and the few credit cards that I don't use on a regular basis but just still have and keep as like emergency. And I thought, what a nice way to organize those. It actually is meant to be an accessory case, but of course you could use it for whatever you want. So that's my plan. I'm gonna take advantage of this and fill that up with some of my gift cards and things. It also came with this little collection of cards. They're an accessory dashboard card set. So they are meant to go along with your accessory case, and I think it goes like that. So you could insert these and that would just give you, since it is a clear cover, it would give you a little bit of privacy protection if you wanted, or if you were just wanting some decoration at the very front, because you could see that through your cover. So that's how that goes. And I might just leave those in there. That is kind of a fun little added element to the accessory case. Next we have the ink pen, and this is an oil-based black ink pen. And on the description she mentioned this is ideal for their transparent products, so any of their clear plastic products. It does have a fine tip and it has a wider tip, like a marker tip. I don't know the sizes because this is not in English, but those will be handy, either one to use just with labeling things around my office. Then we have a collection of monthly journaling cards. So there is a small December journaling card. I'm not sure how well you can see that. It's probably better on something white like that. So that could be tucked in the pocket of a planner. There is a couple of different little inspirational ones. This one is a vellum, and I noticed it actually looks nice on the back of the other card, that little image of some worn and weathered construction materials. And then this card says, the function of art is to do more than tell it like it is. It's to imagine what is possible. And that's a quote from Bell Hooks. So we have those two cards. And finally, a larger December card that is on a matte finish with paper. So that could also go either in a binder or in your planner. I think I might just set this on the corner of my desk. I have a little easel, and that could be there just to have a quick glance at the month of December. Next we have this collection of accessory stickers, and these are labels. So this is a clear label. You could use this maybe in that accessory binder. So if you wanted to label different pages at the top of this, you could. You could also use it in one of the products, one of the inserts we'll look at here in a second, but it did come with 4 that are blank, and it mentioned that the permanent marker could be used on those transparent stickers. Next we have the Dome sticky notes in this pretty palette in 4 sizes. There are 25 sheets of each in a matte finish, and the colors are listed on the back. So these are just fun little sticky notes. I will say they don't feel extremely sticky, but I guess if you were just using it to mark, like there, that one came off, like mark a book you were reading or a page you wanted to keep, they would be kind of fun for that. They're definitely pretty colors. That one felt a little stickier, but these will just be, so that is that. This is a collection of dashboards. So there is one that says raison d'être, which if you don't know French, that just means your reason for being, and purpose of which one is suited. They have a little note down at the bottom. So that is a vellum, and then that could be paired with this cardstock dashboard, which just has a collage image and it's blank on the back. I'm not crazy about that image, but it does look nice with this, so I'm not sure if I'll use both. I don't mind the raison d'être, that's a nice one, but haven't decided yet how and where I will use those. Moving on to some of the inserts. So this is a collection of product inventory inserts. So the first several pages are like this, where they have a place to list the name, the brand, the description, and the quantity. There are, I think, 4 pages like that. Then we have some that have a place for 6, and it's double-sided. So this would be a place if you wanted to track these sticky notes and where they came from. You know, you could have those stuck in there, and that could tell you a little bit about the collection or the color or the manufacturer, things like that that you wanted to keep track of. I actually have been thinking I might use these sheets. There's quite a few of that with 6 on a page. I might use these for some of my Jordan Essentials items, just to periodically do a running inventory of what I have on hand. Sometimes I do that and I just jot it on a piece of paper, but I thought this might be handy to have these sheets available for that. Then we have some that have 3 on a page. So I was thinking that actually would work for Post-it notes. So things like that. Mine's a little bit big, but you could use these pages to track different size notes that you had, or if you wanted to put all 4 on one page. And I think that's, yeah, so that's the 3 different sizes of the product inventory sheets. And finally, the last set of inserts are the December weekly inserts. And I opted to do all of my inserts as a Happy Planner disc bound, just because I had some discs on hand, so I knew I could put together just sort of a little makeshift planner. I'm not really using a disc bound planner right now, but that seemed the most versatile for just trying out some of these inserts and seeing what the box was all about. So this is what their weekly layout looked like for December. It looks like there are some holidays noted, and then the grid space on the right, which I like that. I would probably use that for my to-do list for the day. There's also a section on the right for priorities, a memo note spot, and next week, and then a monthly calendar for December. And I do like that Saturday and Sunday have their own days. So we just have the weekly pages all the way through to the end of December with a grid notes page. Make sure that's right. Yeah, that's the last page there, and then the grid notes page at the back. So that is everything I got in my October subscription box from Cloth and Paper, and hopefully that gave you an idea of just what some of their items might be. I know it's different every month, but they usually have some similar types of items. I don't know about next year, and I don't know going forward if I'll continue, but it was fun to get one and just kind of see what it's about. There definitely are some things in here that I'm looking forward to using and just sort of experimenting with. So thanks again for joining me. I hope you have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know if you like these kinds of unboxing videos for other companies. I'm always glad to hear what you're up to. Have a great day, and I'll look forward to seeing you soon with my November planner setup in my Unbound planner. Thanks again for watching. Bye-bye.